Finding the best blade coffee grinder can feel confusing when you just want a quick, fresh cup at home. The best blade coffee grinder is simple, fast, and great for everyday use, though it can be a bit uneven at times. I've used a few in my own kitchen, and for busy mornings in the US, they really get the job done without fuss. After testing and comparing, I know what works and what doesn't. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. SHARDOR Electric Super Silent Coffee Grinder. The SHARDOR Electric Super Silent Coffee Grinder feels great if you want quiet mornings. I really like the timed grind knob, which helps control coarse to fine results with ease. It gives better control than most blade grinders I've used. Another nice touch is the low noise 63 decibels, so it won't wake others early in the day. That's a big plus for busy homes. The removable bowl makes cleaning simple, and it handles enough for several cups. It works well for coffee and spices, though super fine grind still needs practice. Overall, it feels smooth, quiet, and easy for daily use. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder feels like a great pick if you want something simple and low cost. I like how the removable grind bowl makes pouring coffee easy with less mess. It also helps a lot with cleaning, since you can rinse or even use the dishwasher. Another thing I noticed is the hidden cord storage, which keeps the counter neat and tidy. That is a small detail, but it makes daily use feel more organized. The grinder handles up to 12 cups, so it works well for families or guests. It is easy to use with a one-touch control, which feels very beginner-friendly. It also has a safety lid, which adds peace of mind in daily use. The size is compact, so it fits well in most kitchens. It can be a little noisy, and fine grind control takes practice. Still, for the price, it feels reliable and practical for everyday coffee needs. Number 3. Cuisinart One Touch Coffee Grinder Black. The Cuisinart One Touch Coffee Grinder Black feels like a simple and reliable pick for daily coffee needs. I like how the one-touch control makes grinding quick and easy, even on busy mornings. It handles enough beans for up to 12 cups, which works well for small families or guests. Another feature I found useful is the safety interlock lid, which keeps things secure during use. It gives peace of mind, especially in a shared kitchen. The motor is strong enough for consistent grinding, though very fine results may take a bit of timing practice. The compact size fits nicely on most counters, and the cord storage keeps things neat. Cleaning is also easy, which saves time after use. It can be a little noisy, but that is common for blade grinders. Overall, it feels like a dependable choice for everyday coffee routines. Number 2. KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinder. The KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinder feels like a solid choice if you want something simple and budget-friendly. I like how the 200-watt fast motor gives quick results, which helps on busy mornings. It also fits well if you're looking for the best electric blade coffee grinder for quick daily use. The grind works well for drip, French press, and spices, though it can be a bit uneven for espresso. One thing that stands out is the 3-ounce large capacity, letting you grind enough for several cups at once. That's useful for small families or when guests visit. The one-touch control is easy, and I found it very beginner-friendly. It also has a safety lid, which adds peace of mind in daily use. The size is compact, so it fits well in most kitchens. It can be a little noisy, and fine grind control takes practice. Still, for the price, it feels reliable and practical for everyday coffee needs. Number 1. KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder Spice Combo. The KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder Spice Combo feels like a handy pick if you want one tool for both coffee and spices. I like how easy it is to use with the one-touch control. Just press and go. It saves time on busy mornings, which is great for many US homes. The grind is quick, though it can be a bit uneven for fine espresso. Another thing I enjoy is the removable steel bowl, which makes pouring and cleaning simple. You also get extra spice bowls, so flavors stay fresh and don't mix. That's useful if you switch between coffee and cooking often. The size is compact, so it fits well on small counters. It isn't the quietest, and the grind control takes a bit of practice. Still, for daily use, it feels reliable and easy to live with. Final verdict. If you want a reliable, all-round pick, I personally recommend the KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder Spice Combo as the best overall choice. It gives you versatility, ease of use, and solid performance for both coffee and spices, which makes daily routines feel simple and smooth. For a more budget-friendly option, the KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinder is a great choice for quick grinding and basic needs. It's simple, compact, and gets the job done well, especially if you're just starting out. Blade grinders may not be perfectly even, but they're fast, easy, and practical for most homes. Check the links in the description for current prices and full details, and pick the one that fits your style and needs best.